Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I wanted to go over 5 solid dividend picks that I have lined up. Let's get right into the video. Now, if you guys are new here to the channel, I urge you to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification. I post a ton of content centered around the stock market, and I'm here to help you grow your portfolio. So one thing that I haven't really talked about on my channel is dividend investing. Now, this is something that you can make a ton of money doing if you do it properly, and I wanted to go over 5 solid stock picks that you can use for your dividend investment portfolio. Now, if you guys are completely new to dividend investing, essentially how dividends work is you invest in the company, and instead at the end of the year, quarter, however often they pay out their dividends, they're actually going to give you money instead of reinvesting it into the company itself. So jumping straight into the video, one of the stocks that I would definitely recommend investing in for their dividends is Aflac. So one issue for Aflac at the moment is that a lot of people don't actually know what they do necessarily. We covered this in one of my courses over the year, but essentially if you're unaware of Aflac, you've seen the commercials, you don't really know what's going on. They are an insurance provider, and they provide short-term disability, accident, illness, hospital stay, dental, vision, and life insurance. And it currently is being traded around $50 per share. So Aflac has over 50 million individuals that take advantage of their insurance service, and you can see in the past year they're actually up around 13%, so this is great growth for them. Now, what I like about this pick is I don't see them going anywhere in the future except up. Everybody is always going to need to have an insurance provider. Aflac is a very good option for that, and on top of providing insurance, they can help you with your income and your wealth because they are a dividend providing company. If you scroll down here, you can see that their dividend yield is 2.28, which is pretty solid for a dividend stock. And they actually pay out every quarter, so quarterly you're going to get around 27 cents per share that you own. Another very solid pick, and coming in at number 2, is the Kimberly-Clark company. And why I like this is because with an age of all these high-tech smartphones, supercharging, driverless cars, all these new things coming, we're still going to have a need for those low-tech essentials such as toilet papers, diapers, and tissues. And for example, one of the reasons why this stock is worth so much is because it is an $18 billion company that owns assets such as Kleenex, and these are always going to be needed by people all around the world, and they're able to dominate in areas like this. Now, also what I like about this company being a dividend yield company, you can see their dividend yield is 3.51, which is also very solid, but essentially it's been growing and growing. If you had bought in at 2013, you would see a 25% increase in their dividend yield, which is just amazing. And the stock is around $127 right now. And the return that you'd be getting off of each stock is around $1.03. So a solid return for one of the options that you can have in your dividend portfolio. Now, it would be a tragedy if I did not mention this on the list. So at number 3, we have Realty Income, and literally in their name, they have that they are the monthly dividend company. And I don't know why they wouldn't be on anybody's list for a dividend portfolio. Now, just to talk a little bit more about them, you can see that their dividend yield is 4.19, and they've actually been able to pay 585 consecutive monthly dividends since 1969. So you can expect to see a steady influx of what their dividends are going to be. And their previous monthly dividend for April was 22.5 cents roughly. What I really like about this company is the stock price is nice and cheap. It's $67. And if you're working with a lot of money, you can put a lot of it into it and get quick returns on what you're investing. Furthermore, you can see that it has had solid growth over the past year as well, almost up 30%. So these are increasing and dividends are still being paid, and this is just a great sign for the stock. Now, coming in at number 4, we have Enterprise Product Partners, and what I really like about this company is that it's based in Houston, where it is the home turf for all things that are dealing with the energy realm, and they lead the industry in natural processing, in transportation, and storage services, so you know that you have a pretty solid pick here. Now, EPD hasn't seen the amount of growth that you've previously seen with companies on this list. However, they're still up around 7% on the year. And another thing that I really like is if I scroll down here, you see that there are 26 analyst ratings, all saying that this is a buy, and they have target prices between $40 and $60. So you can expect this price to continue to grow in the upcoming months, years, what have you. Another thing is their dividend yield is high. It's 6.97. So there's a lot of room for growth in the company because it's currently trading at $28.50 roughly. As it stands right now, the dividend is about 43.8 cents per share, which is up from the 42.8 cents at the same time last year. The fifth and final dividend stock that I'm going to be talking about today is Fidelity National Financial. This is another solid pick. You can see that they have a dividend yield of about 3.82, and that equates to about $1.24 annually. So this is an annual dividend company, but they're huge. They're not going anywhere anytime soon. Their 5-year return is 94%, and their dividend growth rate is 26%. So this is still continuing to grow, and they're really a stable company that isn't going to go anywhere anytime soon. Anyways, guys, that just about wraps it up for the video here today. I hope you enjoyed my list of 5 solid dividend stocks. And if you did enjoy the video, make sure that you leave it a like and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Keep your eye out for my upcoming video where I'm going to be going over this week's Robinhood challenge and how the portfolio has grown. This was a very solid week, so if you are staying tuned for that, then you should be impressed by the returns that we were able to get this week. As always, guys, thank you for watching the video.